Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are many health benefits to overnight oats. Each jar is filled with fiber, protein, and wholesome grains, making them heart-healthy and perfect for weight loss. Yes, oatmeal is higher in carbs, but if balanced out with other low-carb recipes, it can be a great solution when trying to eat healthier and lose weight. 29 December 2020.
Take our lead.
Well, it's true, they can. But not just any oats, we're talking overnight oats here. Once you get the easy skill and habit down of whipping up this raw version of oatmeal, you'll be well on your way to a vitamin, mineral, and fiber-packed morning of energy and joy every day. The 19th of October 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
215 calories. Nutrition. Overnight oats are a great source of many nutrients. One prepared cup 240 milliliters of the basic recipe made with 2% cow's milk and without the optional ingredients provides the following: 1. Calories, 215 calories. 9 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Overnight oats are typically served chilled, straight from the refrigerator. That makes them perfect for warmer months, but you can certainly enjoy overnight oats year-round. Overnight oats keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.